Today we're diving into the super fun Guess the Food by Emoji challenge, and oh wow, it's going to be crazy fun. We've got 50 brain-teasing puzzles lined up. Can you crack the emoji code in just 10 seconds? Now, make sure to press that subscribe button, and let's go. This one is super popular. Can you take a guess? Root beer. This one is super popular. Can you take a guess? Apple salad. Can you crack the emoji code? Banana milkshake. Can you solve it? Cornflakes. Can you spot it before time runs out? Crab cake. What food is this? Candy apples. Can you see it? Chocolate bar hot. Are you ready for the next food? Rainbow bubble tea. Let's go. Next round. Beef burger. Can you guess this food from the emojis? Blueberry muffins. Do you like this one? Potato fries. What's your best guess? Candy pretzel. Can you spot all three before the timer runs out? Onion soup. Do you know this one? Chocolate milkshake. Think carefully. What do you see? Fish taco. What comes to your mind first? French fries. What's your answer this time? Sandwich. Can you spot it before time runs out? Dark chocolate. What comes to your mind first? Grilled cheese sandwich. Don't let these emojis trick you. Cereal. What's your best guess? Chocolate milkshake. Don't let these emojis trick you. Cherry Martin. What's your answer this time? Chocolate muffin. Which one is the answer? Taco Bell. What food do these emojis stand for? Onion pizza. What food could that be? Walnut. What do you think this food could be? Banana milkshake. Which food do these emojis describe? Monster Energy. Can you guess the food? Cheese pizza. Can you crack the emoji code? Sushi. Can you guess the food emoji combo? Chocolate bomb. Let's go. Next round. Fish tacos. Think carefully. What do you see? Buttermilk. Do you like this one? Grape juice. Can you spot all three before the timer runs out? Cheese cornballs. Which food do you see here? Peanut butter cup cookies. Which food is it? Apple punch. What food do these emojis make? Cheese pretzel. Can you see it? Cheese fries. Which one is the answer? Dr. Pepper. What is this? Hot wings. What's your best guess? Hazelnut chocolate. Can you spot it before time runs out? Burger King. Can you spot all three before the timer runs out? Cotton candy. What's your best guess? Cheeseburger. Try to guess this. Chicken wings. Can you crack the emoji code? Americano. Do you know this? Garlic pasta. Think carefully. What do you see? Blueberry. Hot chocolate.